We felt it was very fun because we also did this at school, but then this one's much easier and more fun because we get to pick the different stencil.
And I'm also really happy that we get to experience this time on how to do a batik top because we didn't get the chance to do it at school.
Welcome to Saung Angklung Ujo. Is it the first time you come to Saung Angklung Ujo? Yeah. Kayak harus kenceng ya. See, there are a vibration.
Honestly, it's one of the best experience I have.
I learned so many new things here, and I'm grateful to be in this place.
I feel happy but also sad because my shoe got all mud because our friend Gio jumped in a muddy puddle.
It was a very exciting and fun way for us to learn with our friends, and also that we can see how beautiful the nature is.
In my opinion, this experience is really fun and exciting. Not only this experience is fun and exciting, but it's also really educational because we got to learn about animals and wildlife. We got to feed the deers carrots and we got to take care of the deers.
My experience for the suspension bridge was that it was really fun. It's pretty scary at the start, but once you get used to it, it's just like walking on a very good view. For the Kerajang Sultan, at first it seemed really scary, but at the end it was just a place to sit down and have a really good view to look from.
My favorite part about strawberry picking is picking the strawberries because I like cutting the root.